Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to loop a YouTube video on your mobile device. So let's get into it. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app on your smartphone by tapping on its icon. Once the YouTube app opens up on the screen, browse through YouTube to find the specific video that you want to loop. Once you found, tap on it to open. Since there is not a direct loop option on mobile, we will create a new playlist. Tap on the save option below the video, then select create new playlist. Name your playlist and set it to private if desired. Tap on create to finalize. Return to the YouTube home screen and tap on your profile icon at the right corner. Locate the playlist you just created and tap on it to open. Find the video you want to loop within the playlist. Once you tap on the play all button to initiate playback of the video in the playlist, the video will now loop continuously. You can also shuffle the playlist if you want to mix up the order of the videos. And that's it. This is how you can easily loop a YouTube video on your mobile device. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.